Hey guys, welcome back to the ASV Race Shop. Today we're going to be breaking down some differences between our street lever options. As you know, all of our levers feature the folding technology as well as dial adjust for complete adjustability on the bike. But some things you might not know are the differences between the C5 lever and the F3 levers. For street bikes, we have two different models, starting with the C5 lever, which is our premium offering, and the F3, which is more of our price point lever. The differences between the two are that the C5 is a CNC-machined lever with a 5-year warranty, and the F3 is a forged lever with a 3-year warranty. Both levers feature the same shape and design, as well as sharing the same knuckle and dials. Both levers feature 180 points of reach adjust. The C5 lever will come in a variety of colors, as well as our limited edition runs like this Bicolore color, where the F3 lever will only come in standard color options. Both levers also come in a standard and shorty model, standard being the same length as stock, where the shorty lever is 1.25 inches shorter. A common misconception is that the shorty lever is made for someone with smaller hands. However, it's exactly opposite. The shorty lever is made for somebody with stronger hands who likes a more firmer clutch or brake pull. With the shorty lever on the bike, there's a little less lever to be had on the handlebars, so you get a little bit better pull or a little bit firmer feel at the brakes. To wrap things up, both of these lever options are going to bring more comfort and more quality to your rider cockpit. Big differences are the texture versus the polish, kind of the way it feels on the bike, as well as the different warranty options. The C5 obviously having a 5-year warranty and the F3 having a 3-year warranty. Head over to the ASV website to build a custom set of levers or to find levers that are right for your ride.